Okay, operation on function. Okay, so you just, for addition, you just plus it up. Okay, you see f plus gx, right? So it's fx plus gx. Same goes with this one. It's just minus. This one is divide, and this one is multiply. Now be careful. Multiply, for multiplication, the dot is black. Okay, if you have an empty dot, like for example this one, okay, if you have an empty dot like this will be a composite function. Okay, so don't confuse. So if black dot, you will have just the multiplication part. Okay, okay, so I'll give you an example. Let's say that example 3.4. Okay, example 3.4. Okay, so given a function, okay, x squared plus 4, then gx is 3x minus 5. Okay, so the first one, okay, so fg, so very simple, right? So you just substitute the x with 0. Okay, substitute in, you get the answer. So here the x for the g function is 1 over 3. You just substitute it respectively. I think this one should be very clear cut, right? Okay, this one should be okay. Okay, so just that you need to be careful when you have okay, when you have plus and minus should be okay, right? Okay, now this one how? Okay, okay, they have two ways of doing it. Okay, so f minus g power, this one, let me share with you easy. Okay, just now the question is what? The question is this one. Yeah, okay, now this one. Okay, so f minus g, that means that the x will be 2. Okay, you have two ways of doing it. Either you have f2 minus g2 directly, okay, or you can have x minus g, the whole thing x first, then substitute everything in terms of x, then you have the other part, and then you substitute the 2 in. Okay, so it's all up to you how you want to solve it. Okay, so because to solve it one by one, I already highlight in the notes, right? So I just share with you. Okay, I just share with you how if you do it one go. Okay, so f minus g, the whole thing you need to substitute with 2, right? You must remember to get the value of the 2. So your f is what? Your f, okay, so your f is x squared plus 2, so 2 squared plus 4. Okay, this is your f. Minus your g is your g is 3, 2 minus 5. Okay, so 4 plus 4, 8, minus 6 minus 5, 1. So you have 7. Okay, so you still get back the same thing. Okay, this is what I shared with you just now. Okay, get in terms of x first, then you substitute your 2 in. Can be done also, or you do it one go. Okay, so let us proceed. Okay, so same thing, multiplication. How? Okay, so f multiply, black dot is multiply, huh? Okay, so means that is f1 times with g1. Okay, so you have 1 square plus 4. Okay, multiply with 3, 1 minus 5. Okay, so you have 5 times with negative 2. Okay, that's why you have negative 10. Okay, so you will still get back the same thing. Okay, so either way will do. Either you solve for the x first, then you substitute the 1 in, okay, or you do it one go. Actually, one go easier, okay, but you must remember to write it clearly, especially this step, okay, whereby students like to skip. Okay, same thing goes with this. Okay, you can do it one go. So how? So you have f, what is this? Negative 3. Okay, f negative 3 divide by g negative 3. Okay, so you have negative 3 square minus 4 divide by 3 negative 3 minus 5. Oh, sorry, it's plus. Okay, so simplified it, what do you have? Okay, you have negative 13 over 4. F14. Okay, it's the same. Okay, so the things I already shared with you here. Okay, so how about the G? Okay, the G. Question said find x if gx equal to 5. So questions already gave you okay, question already gave you okay, gx equal to 5. Okay, so what is your gx? Because your gx is what? Gx equal to 3x minus 5. Okay, so what you need to do, you just substitute in. Okay, meaning to set 5 equal to 3x minus 5. So 3x equal to 5 plus 5, that is 10. So x equal to 10 over 3, just like that. Okay, so let us look into h. Okay, so same thing. Question said f x equal to 5. Okay, whereby your function given f(x) equal to x squared plus 4. So you have, just substitute in. So you have 5 equal to x squared plus 4. Okay, so x squared equal to 5 minus 4. So x squared equal to 1. Okay, so do remember the square. If square, you have plus and minus square root. Okay, always remember that. Okay, so you have plus and minus 1. So that's the answer. This should be very logic, right? Okay, so let us proceed with composite. This is the things that you must be careful. Okay, so this is the things that I also want to highlight. Okay, for composite. Okay, so you already know that if composite, you will have a empty dot like this. Okay, do remember to write back. Okay, so your gx is inside. Okay, do remember to write back. Okay, meaning to say that you may need to solve your gx first before you encounter the function. Is that okay? I think this is very logic, right? Okay, so we're using the same function back. Okay, let us have the A to be done. Okay, let us have the A to be done. Okay, so you have what? You have F like this, right? So is F the whole thing G3, right? So your G is what? Just put your function in because 3x minus 5, right? Okay, so just continue. So you have 9 minus 5, you have 4. Okay, so obviously you will have your 4 squared minus plus 4. So you have 16 plus 4, that's why you have 20. Oh, it's okay, right? Okay, let us look into B. GF negative 9. Okay, so how? Okay, so how? You have GF negative 9. GF negative 9. So do remember the F is inside. Okay, solve the F first. So F is plus 4. Okay, so 36 plus 4, you got 40. Sorry, 81 plus 4, you have 85. Right? So again, 3 times 85 minus 5. Okay, so 3 times 85 minus 5. You have 250. You can use your calculator here. Calculator. Okay, 3 times 85 minus 5. So you have 250. It's okay? Okay, so how about C? Okay, how about the C? Okay, you have G, F, G, 0. Okay, so means that you have G, F, then inside is G0. Is it okay? Okay, you follow the sequence. Okay, meaning to set that you need to solve the inner part first, G0. Okay, so substitute your answer in. Okay, so this is 0, so negative 5. Okay, so your function with negative 5, so you have negative 5 squared plus 4. Okay, you have G, what do you have? You got 25 plus 4, you have 29. Okay, so for G, so 329 minus 5. Okay, 3 times 29 minus 5. Okay, you have 82. So your answer, you have 82. Is that okay? Okay. So how about this? G square. Okay. So how do you have G square here? Okay. So G square. G square is GG. Okay. So G square. This is on X, so just X. So I have G. So your G function is what? 3x minus 5. Okay. So 3, let's just substitute the whole thing. Minus 5. So you have 9x minus 50 minus 5. So you have 9x minus 20. Just like that. Okay, you just substitute whatever it is. I think should be okay, right? Okay, so that's it.